LD, you got your hand up. Go.
Hey, can you kind of walk me through a spot here in Apple? Right here on the bottom there, I made a little money and then I had to leave for a minute, so I missed the big pull. And I was trying to kind of get in where it pulls back, so I kind of waited until it bounced up against the 9, and they had that one big candle, and it got me a little bit, but I went small enough it didn't take away all my gains. Is that a bad place to try to enter this
Yep.
to see if it's going down?
Well, and what you missed then when you weren't in here, everybody in the room, remember I was giving this as the example. I said it keeps going to the 55. So what I was saying in the room is typically I use the 9 and the 21. I usually don't wait for the 55 because that's way too far away. But I said, and I quote on this stock, that it keeps going to the 55 instead of the 9 and the 21. So had you been privy to that information, you would have known that I would be waiting in this instance for the 55 instead of the 9 or the 21. And we did that all live while you were gone. That you missed, that you would have been able to get, that you wouldn't have lost the trade on, because that's the information we gave here today.
Well, that's kind of funny because I got it right back off the bounce of the 55.
And there you go.
Interesting. Okay.
Yep,
Just trying to check and make sure my thinking's right.
Yeah. So I'm always looking for patterns. So I'm looking, hey, is it respecting the 9? No. Is it respecting the 21? No. Is it respecting the 55? Yes. Okay. Guess what it's going to do? Most of the day, we're going to look for it. We're going to watch it. 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, right? Pattern. Normally, we don't have to do it that much. Normally, we can literally go off of a 9 or the 21. You guys know a lot of times it won't respect the 9. I'm like, okay, well, which one are you respecting? And then that's the one I'm going to trade from. And if it keeps doing it on the same one, that is the backbone of the whole drive of it. Trust me, it will show you what it wants.